just got this beautiful gemstone kit as a gift for someone who loves healing gemstones. And it comes in this absolutely beautiful box. And on the back, it gives ideas on how to use all of the stones. It talks about what you get, and it's completely reusable with a magnetic flap on the side. Let's open it up. When you open it up, the first thing you'll see is a list of all the stones that come in it with their meanings. And on this side, there's a velvet cover. Pop that off, and then you have a crystals guide, a cleansing guide, and the Flower of Life crystal grid. And then once you get in here, you have so many beautiful stones to look at. All of the bottles are labeled. And let me just pop a couple open here for you. Here is the bottle of jade gemstones, and they each are completely reusable glass bottles with cork tops. And beautiful jade pieces here, really lovely, come in a variety of tones and colorations. Really, really pretty. Now the jars come so full that you definitely need to tap it on a surface to get all the gemstones to settle, to get everything into the jar. If you just try to stick it all out back in, it won't fit. And here is the amethyst. I'll open up this one as well. They're just gorgeous and come in so many variations. Really, really beautiful to look at. And the entire display box is wonderfully reusable. This entire piece is that soft velvety piece like the cover was. And so you can just put everything right back in. And in the crystals guide, it really gives you a breakdown of each crystal with a lot more detail. Great resource to go with this gemstone kit. So whether you are gifting this to someone else or are getting this for yourself, it is a really great quality gemstone kit.